Guys, today we're making a chia seed jam. It's really easy, there's no added sugars, and it is a simple recipe that you can make jam super fast at home. Here I have 2 cups of diced strawberries. I'm gonna put them in my pot. Now these were fresh strawberries, but you can use frozen too. Again, 2 cups of fruit is what makes this recipe. I'm gonna turn on my stove and start cooking down these strawberries. Now it's 2 cups of fruit and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. They're whole, not ground. I'm just gonna place them right over the top of our strawberries. And then I'm gonna add a touch of vanilla. This is optional, but I really like how it brings out a little bit more sweetness from the strawberries without having to add any sugars. Now with a wooden spoon, you're just going to mix this up. Now as the strawberries cook down, they're gonna release their water and the sugar, and the chia seeds are going to absorb that. And chia seeds are super absorbent. They add fiber, but they also are going to hold together this strawberry jam and make it and thicken it instead of using sugar. As you can see, the strawberries have started to break down. They're looking mushier and softer. The chia seeds are starting to swell up and absorb some of that moisture. And this is where, if you have a potato masher, you're gonna use it to continue to break down the strawberries and mash them up, or use the back of a ladle, because yes, believe it, don't have a potato masher here. So I'm just going to lower my heat and press down to mash up my strawberries. You can continue with your ladle and press the strawberries against the side of the pot to really mash it well. I personally like texture to my jam, but if you like it very smooth, at the very end you can dump this in a blender and give it a whirl for a really smooth consistency. Once you get it to where you like it, you can just simply transfer it directly into your jam jar or the blender if you want it nice and smooth. Now this is considered a keto recipe because there's no sugar added, and you typically would only use 1 or 2 tablespoons of jam. You can also definitely top my cloud bread, which is a carb-free bread recipe, or my almond flour biscuits, which I also have a video for you on this channel and I'll link right below. But I want you to take a quick look and check this jam out. Now I'm just going to let this cool down before I refrigerate it for up to a week. After that, strawberries kind of tend to lose a lot of their flavor and texture, so make sure that you just use it up within a week. It's also great over healthy ice cream or on yogurt. If you're making your own yogurt, to use this as fruit at the bottom yogurt, just like it shows you inside of the cookbook, the best grain-free family meals on the planet, which I'll also link below. And while you're down there, if you love awesome recipes like this, make sure to click that red subscribe button. You and I get to hang out together a few times a week and make something delicious. See you next time.